A TikTok shop account can link to a maximum of 5 regular accounts. You can use these channels to post videos, live stream, and drive engagement back to your shop. In today's video, Hidemyacc will summarize some trending channel building methods you can refer to. To post videos and drive traffic, you first need to create an SEO-optimized TikTok account. This means you need to let TikTok's AI understand what your channel is about, so it can distribute your videos to the right audience. There are 2 scenarios here. The first scenario is when you're creating a channel for the first time. In this case, just use a new email/phone number/owner's information. The second scenario is creating a new channel after the old one was violated. This is a pretty common situation. At this point, you must use new information, including both a new device and a new IP address. When setting up shop information, such as username, name, bio, etc., you should also avoid using the exact same name as the old account. Additionally, please pay special attention, do not put your phone number or other contact methods outside of TikTok on your bio. Next is about video posting times. Honestly, there's no golden hour that works for all channels. Posting times depend on your channel's audience. For example, a channel about baby products might have different optimal posting times than a tech channel. You should try posting at different times during the initial period. Then, check the analytics section on TikTok to see which time slots have the most active users and post your videos accordingly. For newly created accounts, you must warm up the channel before posting videos. Hidemyacc has mentioned this issue in most of our TikTok series already. And the nurturing time and process are very simple. Just spend the first 1 to 2 days browse TikTok normally, watching videos, liking, commenting, and following channels with content similar to what you plan to create. This helps TikTok understand your account's preferences and goals. From there, it's easier to distribute your videos more effectively. Next is the question of whether to continue posting if your videos flop. As Hidemyacc just mentioned, TikTok's AI needs time to learn. It's completely normal for the first few videos, or even dozens of videos, to flop. Just consider this the phase where you're training TikTok's AI. It needs to gradually learn the content you're creating to distribute it correctly. That's also why you shouldn't post many different topics on the same channel. For example, if you're doing tech content, only post about tech, don't post about food, fashion, or beauty. Because TikTok's AI won't understand what content your channel is focusing on. It won't understand which target audience this channel wants to reach to distribute videos. After the channel warm-up period, just proceed to post videos daily. TikTok doesn't limit the number of videos you can post in a day. However, posting too many is also not advisable. Just maintaining 1 to 2 videos/day is enough. If your channel is reported for a violation, and the error is related to law or prohibited content/products, chances are you won't be able to post videos anymore. But if it's a lighter error, like using copyrighted music, etc., your channel might experience reduced engagement for 1 to 2 days. For those planning to build a channel for live streaming, please note: your channel must be over 18 years old and have at least 1,000 followers to enable live streaming. Above are the most important notes when you want to build a channel to drive traffic for sales. Next are some video creation approaches you can refer to. First is the knowledge-sharing video format, for example, how-to guides, tips and tricks, or Q&A about problems users are facing. This method will help you build an expert image in that field. The second method is the review/unboxing product format. It can be said that this is one of the most popular video formats today. It closely follows user buying behavior. They will look for reviews and feedback from previous buyers to make purchasing decisions. Generally, for this approach, you should choose hot trend products, as they are easier to get pushed into trending feeds. The third method is entertainment content following trends. For example, using trending sounds, dance moves, or filming challenges, etc. For those who like to share about their daily life, you can make vlogs. This method requires a bit of filming and editing skills. You don't need to be overly professional, but you should know how to do simple video editing, insert text in videos, basic effects, etc. And if you're introverted or want to build a channel without showing your face, you can refer to this channel's approach. This channel makes videos about inspiring quotes, cut from celebrity interviews. Then, in their bio, they link to a website selling t-shirts printed with these quotes. This is also a pretty interesting direction you can consider. Above, Hidemyacc has just mentioned important notes and channel building orientations you can refer to. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other useful videos from Hidemyacc. For any questions, please leave a comment or contact Hidemyacc via live chat for the fastest support. Good luck!